So the purpose of this EV charging station is to support Beaufort County fleet operations. We have EVs in our fleet and to support any natural disasters or off-site grid operations. This unit was purchased off of ARPA funding, designated for infrastructure, EV charging, and EV charging infrastructure. So how it supports us in an emergency, if there is an event where there is no power or fuel shortages, this is another option we can go to for energy source. The way this device works is it's GPS guided, follows the sun throughout the day. As it's absorbing energy from the sun, it's collected in the generator above me. Once that generator is full, it operates the EV charging and also operates the emergency panel above me as well. The time to charge the vehicles varies from between different vehicles. At the moment, this EV charger has a 5.3 to 5.7 kilowatt per hour, which is roughly from 15 to 20 miles per hour. Beaufort County residents are able to access this station for a couple of reasons. One reason is I want to improve the utilization of this device, and two, I want to gather important data on the demand of EV charging north of the Broad River. At the moment, this device is able to charge 2 vehicles at a time. There is limited maintenance costs on this device. We have a 5-year maintenance plan set up with the company, and I plan to extend that in 2028. One thing that I want everyone to know about this EV charger is that it's completely mobile. There's no utility costs. There was no digging, no trenching involved. Based on this past week, the utilization has skyrocketed, and there is a demand north of the Broad River for EV chargers.